Hello everyone, so here's my latest edition. Have you got a Toyota? This being a Toyota Yaris 1.3 automatic. So when I try to start it, it kind of feels like the battery's about to die, and then it starts and there's a bit of a weird noise, metallic noise coming from the engine bay. So let me just show you what I mean. I've got a fully charged up battery, but look at this. See that? So when you start, it really struggles and all the lights turn off because there's been a real big drain on the old battery, and then when it starts you hear a type noise coming through, and that's basically the issue here I've got. Is I need to change the starter motor, so it's on its way out, and before it goes I might as well get it changed. So I'll do this one more time so you can see. Turn it off, on, and listen to this. See that? So I'm going to get the starter motor changed and this should fix the problem. Hope that helps everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.